You are now locked into the latest and the greatest on the Android system. This is the channel that gives you information every day in every way possible. Make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. On your way in, hit the bell as well. Subscribe, become a member of the family. Check out the full catalog of videos I made just for you, and I'll see you right after this. Peace.
Peace. What's up, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Today we're going to talk about some really cool headphones that are under $30. Now, you guys know that I love some bass, heavy bass when it comes to headphones. This is going to be actually my first over-ear headphone review. So without any further ado, make sure you guys stay locked in so you can check these out with me. Alright, so these feel really comfortable. You can actually adjust them right here a little bit. So it gives you a little bit of room right here to open it up and make them a little bit bigger. So let's just try that on with the So you can see these look really stylish with that gold right here. Sort of like the old school microphones you would see back in the 50s, and then it has that black, it's like a matte material, sort of like a hard plastic right here, and this is actually plastic too. And then this as well, you are getting metal inside of it right there, and then you're getting these really nice pillowy cushions for the ear, which is actually really nice. So you can see these are really soft and they feel really good, as well as the top. So as far as comfort, I would give these, I'm not sure how long, I'll have to say after a few days of trying it out, how long it feels after a few hours of having them on, but right now they feel really comfortable. So now we have the headphones right here, and we're gonna go ahead and pair them to my smartphone right here. Let me just read you off some quick specs. Now these do have 5 EQ modes that you can actually mess around with. So I know the regular ones, hip hop, jazz, rock, blues, things like that. And then you do get 18 hours talking time, up to 13 hours playing time, 16 hours standby time, and up to 3 hours to charge these things. So I'm not going to be able to hear when I put these things on, so I'm going to put them on right now. But the first thing you want to do is just press the power button. Just long hold that button right here, You do get the EQ button, volume button, and power button, which is actually doubles up as a pause button and a call button. So let's go ahead and long press that. It says welcome to the headphones Bluetooth mode. Alright, so I could barely hear myself talking right now, and I don't even have any music on right now. So let's just go ahead, refresh. Alright, so there is the WB5 right there. Let's go ahead and click that button. It said connected, so that's cool. Alright, so now let's just I'm gonna put some music on right now. This is the first time I'm actually gonna listen to music with these things. So alright, now we're gonna change the track. That sounded really good. I could barely hear myself right now, but the next track is about to turn on right now. And it has some really good bass. Let me turn it down so I can hear some of the lows. But now we're gonna listen to Boogie with the Hoodie. Let me just see. Let me see if I can hear that. So you could hear that with the headphones off. I have them all the way up, the volume. What did I do? I turned it off, I think. Let me see. I pressed the EQ button and it paused it. Let me see. That's the pause button. Bass is good on these, really good on these. So if you tap it, the volume changes, but if you hold it, it changes the song. Okay. Yeah, so you just gotta tap it to lower the volume and increase the volume. When you hold it, and when it's all the way up, the music will stop and it'll tell you that it's at max volume. Alright, so I'm gonna give you my opinion on these WB5's wireless headphones. Now, the sound sounds really good. I'm impressed with the bass. I'm impressed with the volume. They don't get too loud where it's gonna actually like hurt your ear. There's no distortion and it sounds really crisp. Also, the 5 EQ modes is really cool. The last one I was on gives you really good bass. So just depending on which mode you choose, it'll change up the pitch and the bass and the treble. But this is actually really great quality for under $30 right here. I'm definitely liking the WB5s, and you know, you can check them out on Amazon right here. Riwbow or Ribo. is actually putting out some really decent budget smart headphones. So this is my first headphone review. I'm definitely gonna give this a thumbs up, and I'm definitely gonna recommend these as my first budget headphones. You know, I love headphones, I love music, and I definitely love bass, and the bass on here is really good. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Definitely 2 thumbs up for these headphones. I was actually really surprised, and just to say the least, these are going to be really good. And you can just press that power off button. They didn't come with a case or nothing like that, but the box was pretty smooth, and you know, the overall presentation was pretty good. But for 30 bucks, I wasn't really expecting a whole bunch. And if you run out of battery, you can actually plug in the headphone jack, which is actually pretty cool. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope it was informative to you, and make sure you go ahead, hit that like button, and definitely I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Serrano. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Peace.